Alright, we're going to simplify the expression log base 12 of 4x plus log base 12 of 3y. So we want to turn to our properties of logs, and we want to do the one that takes addition and turns it to multiplication, which is log base a of x. And remember, that x is a placeholder, so that could be anything there in place of x, even a long expression. So log base a of x plus log base a of y is equal to log base a of x times y. So we take the arguments of the two logs we're adding and we turn it into a multiplication, but we have to have the same base. And in this case up here, our base is 12. So when we add these two together, we'll have log base 12 of 4x times 3y, which will probably look a lot better if we just write it as log base 12 of 12xy. So that's how I would clean that up and simplify. Thank you.